Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your USPS account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your USPS account, firstly open your Google search. Type in usps.com login or USPS login and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. The sign-in page of USPS will appear on the screen. Enter your username and password associated with your USPS account and click on Sign In. In case if you don't remember your username, tap on Forgot Your Username. Click on Forgot Your Password if you don't remember your password of your USPS account. This is how you can log into your USPS account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.